Electronic devices. Want to talk about electronic devices in English? Let's learn simple words together. Smartphone. I use my smartphone to check emails. Laptop. She is working on her laptop right now. Tablet. He watches movies on his tablet. Smartwatch. My smartwatch tracks my steps. Headphones. I always listen to music with my headphones. Speaker. We use a Bluetooth speaker to play music at parties. Television. I watch my favorite shows on television. Camera. She takes beautiful pictures with her camera. Printer. I need to print my homework on the printer. Projector. We use a projector for presentations. Microwave. I heat my food in the microwave. Electric fan. The electric fan is cooling the room. Air conditioner. The air conditioner keeps the room cool. Smart TV. The smart TV has apps for streaming movies. Power bank. I carry a power bank to charge my phone when traveling. Keyboard. I use a wireless keyboard with my computer. Charger. I forgot my charger at home. USB drive. Save the file on the USB drive. Electric toothbrush. I prefer an electric toothbrush for better cleaning. Electric kettle. I boil water for tea in the electric kettle. Hair dryer. She dries her hair quickly with the hair dryer. Electric shaver. He shaves every morning with his electric shaver. Treadmill. I run on the treadmill every morning to stay fit. Satellite dish. The satellite dish provides a signal for the TV. Wireless mouse. A wireless mouse makes my desk less cluttered. Thanks for watching.